All right, everybody, welcome back. It's time to dive in and get deep in the weeds. And today's topic is something I know a lot of you think about, uh, building an email list, like a real profitable one, not just, random names.
It's funny you should say that because, we always talk about, the power of social media, but
Yeah.
I feel like there's this shift happening.
Totally.
And this guide we're looking at, building a profitable email list, a beginner's guide.
Oh, yeah, that's a good
It's
one.
kind of like hitting the reset button for me because it really brings home this point, like, you're not just at the whim of some algorithm.
I'd
You
say
own your email
you
list.
own it, and that is super powerful. And you know what else this guy got me thinking about? This tool, System.io. Have you heard about this?
Yeah, System.io. I've been hearing a lot of buzz about it, actually.
It's supposed to be like this all-in-one platform that makes building and actually making money from your email list
Hmm.
super easy, even if you're not like a tech genius.
Right. Which, let's be honest, most of us aren't.
Totally. But okay, so let's break this down. Yeah, we're all good actionable steps here. Where do we even start with this whole email list thing?
Okay, well, the first thing you've got to do is think about what's going to make people want to give you their email address in the first place.
Okay.
It can't just be like, sign up for updates.
No, no, no. You've got to give them something good.
Exactly. That's where this idea of a lead magnet comes in. It's like a little gift, a bribe, even to entice people to join your list.
Okay. I like that, a bribe. So what makes a good lead magnet? Like, what are we bribing people with?
Well, the guide talks about this. It has to solve a specific problem for your ideal audience.
Hmm.
So let's say your audience is small business owners who are struggling to get their websites up and running.
Right. Yeah.
A lead magnet that's like a checklist,
Yes.
a step-by-step checklist that breaks down the process of launching a website.
Actionable.
Boom. You're solving their problem right then and there.
Exactly. And the guide mentions a bunch of other examples like cheat sheets, templates,
Oh,
stuff that people can use immediately.
instant gratification. Love it.
Exactly. It's all about those quick wins.
But a lead magnet is only as good as the way you present it.
Okay, sure.
You need a place for people to actually sign up, and that's where those opt-in pages come in.
Right, those are those little pages.
Yeah, like a dedicated landing page that's focused on getting that email address.
But like designing those things can be a headache.
Well, that's the beauty of System.io.
Oh, okay.
It's got this drag and drop builder, so you can create a really professional looking opt-in page, even if you have zero coding skills.
Okay, that's good because I have zero coding skills.
Me too.
But,
But even with a simple tool, you still have to have the right message on that page.
of course, yeah.
Clear headline telling them what they're getting, a strong call to action.
Sign up now.
Exactly. And a simple sign-up form.
Okay,
You don't want to overwhelm people.
keep it easy. So they're on our list. They've got the lead magnet. What happens next?
That's where the real magic starts.
Okay.
We need to nurture these new subscribers, build a relationship with them, and that's where follow-up emails come in.
Oh, yeah, this is huge. The guide talks about that too, right?
Take your time.
Like not just sending one email and hoping they buy something.
Oh, you got to woo them a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
This is a long game. So System.io lets you set up these automated email sequences,
Oh, nice.
like a welcome email that delivers that lead magnet, maybe a series of 3 to 5 emails that share valuable content, educate your audience, and then subtly introduce your offers.
Oh, I like that. Subtle. We're not being pushy here.
Exactly. It's all about building trust and providing value.
Okay, so we've got our lead magnet, we've got our opt-in page, we've got our automated email sequence going out. Now let's talk about the fun part, making some money.
Show me the money.
The guide lays out a few different ways to monetize an email list. Selling your own products or services, for one,
Obviously, yeah.
becoming a System.io affiliate, and promoting their platform.
Love it.
And then just like creating a sense of urgency with your offers.
Oh, yeah. Urgency and scarcity. That's always a good one.
So let's say we're selling, I don't know, an online course.
Okay.
How do we create that urgency?
Limited time discounts, early bird pricing bonuses for the first few people who sign up.
I've fallen for that.
It works.
It does. Okay, so we're making money, things are rolling, but we can't just stop there.
Absolutely not. This is a marathon, not a sprint.
The guy talks about this whole, continuous growth thing.
You always want to be growing that email list, bringing in fresh subscribers.
All right, so how do we do that?
So many ways. Sharing snippets of your lead magnet content on social media to entice people to sign up. Creating YouTube videos.
Oh, yeah.
Blog posts that all lead back to your opt-in page. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even dabble in some targeted ads to get even more eyeballs on your offer.
Okay, so there's definitely a lot that goes into building a profitable email list, but this guide really makes it seem doable,
That's powerful.
especially with a tool like System.io, making the technical side of things so much easier.
It really is a game changer when you have a tool that does the heavy lifting for you.
100%. So if you're ready to take control of your online presence, build that direct connection with your audience, start building your own profitable email list.
What are you waiting for?
This guide recommends checking out System.io. They even offer a free account.
You can play around, see if it's the right fit for you.
And imagine, the freedom of not having to rely on social media algorithms to get your message out there.
It's like having your own little corner of the internet where you're in charge.
Exactly.
And the possibilities are honestly endless.
Love that.
So go out there and start building your empire.
Yes. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive, and we'll see you next time.